All right, hey everyone, welcome to another deep dive. You know, we like to keep our fingers on the pulse of all things tech.
Absolutely.
And today, we're gonna be taking a peek into the future.
Ooh.
It is, believe it or not, almost 2025.
I can't believe it.
I know, right? Time flies.
It really does.
But speaking of flying, we've got some gadgets coming out that are gonna make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie.
Oh, I love that.
So we're doing a deep dive on, get this, 10 trending gadgets
Okay, I'm ready.
of 2025. So if you are looking for some gift ideas, or maybe just want to treat yourself, then you have come to the right place.
Let's go.
All right, let's jump right in. First up, we have a massage gun.
A massage gun.
Yes, but this is not your grandma's massage gun.
Right?
This thing has, get this, 30 speed levels
30, wow.
and 9, count of 9.
Yeah.
Interchangeable heads.
That's a lot of options.
Right. Talk about customizable.
Yeah, you can really fine-tune your massage experience with that many choices.
So whether you're a professional athlete or you just, sat at your desk a little too long,
Yeah.
this massage gun has got you covered.
It seems like personal health tech is really taking off these days.
It really is.
People are investing more and more in their well-being, and they want tools that can help them do that at home.
Exactly.
So this massage gun, with all its customization options, it really fits into that trend.
It totally does. All right, moving on to something a little more, I don't know, multi-purpose.
Okay, what is it?
A multi-tool pen.
Oh, cool.
9 functions in one.
No way.
We've got a screwdriver, we've got a stylus.
A stylus?
Oh yeah. Even a tiny little saw.
What? A saw and a pen?
It's incredible.
That's amazing.
It's like talk about a pocket-sized toolbox.
Seriously.
It's perfect for, those everyday fixes.
I can see that.
Or even just showing off to your friends.
It's a real conversation starter, for sure.
Exactly.
It makes you wonder how they fit all that functionality into such a small space.
Yep.
Technology just keeps getting smaller and more powerful.
It really does. It's amazing.
Mind-blowing.
Speaking of small and powerful, we've got a wireless charger, but not just any wireless charger.
Okay, tell me more.
This is the INIU wireless charger, and it has adaptive light technology.
Adaptive light.
That means it won't mess with your sleep if you charge your phone on your nightstand.
Oh, that's interesting.
Right, because you know how, the blue light can keep you awake.
Yeah, it can disrupt your sleep patterns.
Exactly.
So this charger is designed to minimize that blue light emission at night.
Exactly, so you can get a good night's sleep.
That's a great feature, especially with how much we rely on our phones before bed.
Totally agree. All right, next up, we have something for the DIYers out there.
Ooh, I love a good DIY project.
This is called the Super Universal Socket Tool.
Okay, what does it do?
It basically fits any nut or bolt.
Wait, really? Any nut or bolt?
Yeah, like a universal wrench that adapts to whatever you're working on.
Wow, that's impressive.
Right. No more digging through your toolbox for the right size.
That would save so much time and frustration.
It would?
It's like they designed this tool with the everyday person in mind.
Exactly. No more need for a giant, 50-piece socket set, just this one tool.
I can see this being a game changer for home improvement projects.
Absolutely. All right, now let's get a little microscopic.
Microscopic.
Yes, we have a wireless digital microscope that offers up to 1000x magnification.
1000x. That's incredible.
And it connects to your phone, so you can capture images and videos.
Wow, imagine seeing the world in that much detail.
Right. You could explore the hidden details of everyday objects.
You could see the individual cells of a leaf.
Exactly.
Or the intricate patterns on an insect's wing.
It's amazing what technology can do these days.
It really is.
All right, for all the movie lovers out there, or anyone who needs to give a presentation on the go, we've got the Kilo K-Way mini projector.
Oh, a mini projector. Nice.
Yeah, it's compact. But it has 9,000 lux brightness.
9,000 lux. That's pretty bright for a mini projector.
It is. And full HD resolution.
So you're not sacrificing quality for portability.
Exactly.
That's impressive.
It's like having a movie theater in your pocket.
It seems like portable entertainment is becoming more and more popular.
It really is.
People want to be able to enjoy their favorite movies and shows wherever they are, and this mini projector definitely makes that possible.
For sure. All right, next up, we have something for the content creators.
Oh yeah, I know a lot of people who would be interested in this.
This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer.
Gimbal stabilizers are a must-have for any serious videographer.
Especially if you're shooting on your phone. This thing will keep your footage smooth and steady.
It's amazing how much they've improved the stabilization on these gimbals.
It really is.
You used to need bulky, expensive equipment to get that level of smoothness.
Yeah.
But now it's all in the palm of your hand.
I know, it's incredible.
Technology is becoming so much more accessible.
It really is. Okay, now for something that's going to blow your mind.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
The SOUR star projector.
SOUR projector, what's that?
It basically turns any room into a planetarium.
Whoa, seriously?
It projects realistic, starry nebulas onto your ceiling.
That sounds incredible.
It's like having a window to the galaxy.
It'd be so relaxing to fall asleep under.
I know, right?
It's like bringing the wonders of space right into your home.
Exactly.
All right.
All right, next up, we have the High-Ever Bluetooth beanie.
A Bluetooth beanie.
Yeah, it's a warm winter hat, but it has built-in speakers.
So you can listen to music while you're out in the cold.
Exactly. No more fumbling with your earbuds.
That's a great idea, especially for people who like to exercise outdoors in the winter.
I know, right?
It's like technology is becoming more and more seamlessly integrated into our
It
lives.
really is. It's amazing.
Yeah.
And finally, we have the Aero 1 air duster.
An air duster.
Yeah, it's cordless and energy efficient, and it's a much more sustainable alternative to those cans of compressed air.
Oh, that's great for the environment.
It is, and it's super powerful.
So you can still get all that dust out of your electronics.
Exactly.
It's great to see companies focusing on sustainability. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference.
I totally agree. So there you have it, 10 trending gadgets
Yeah.
of 2025.
That was quite a lineup.
It was, wasn't it? And you know what's so cool is that they all reflect the bigger trends happening in tech.
Yeah, like what?
Personalization,
Yeah.
miniaturization,
Yeah.
sustainability, and the seamless integration of technology into our lives.
It's really exciting to see where all this innovation is going to lead us.
It is.
What kind of world will these gadgets create?
That's the question, isn't it?
It is.
What will our relationship with technology look like
Yeah.
in the years to come?
It's something to think about for sure.
It is. Well, that is all the time we have for today's deep dive. But if you want to learn more about these amazing gadgets, be sure to check out Tech Gadgets Finder on YouTube.
Great channel.
It is. Until next time, happy gadget hunting.